Hello friends, once again welcome back to another video. So friends, this video is going to be very interesting because in this video we are going to tell you which side is best for you, deck side or engine side, because so many candidates has been told deck side is for you, engine side is for you, and when candidates went on ship, then he realized I am not suitable for the engine side and I am not suitable for deck side. Then he switched. Because why? Because in engine room there will be so hot and there is so nice. That's why some candidates they are not told there. That's why they switch deck to engine to deck, and some people switch deck to engine. Why? Because when they went on ship, then he realized that if I will be in engine room, I will learn so much about pump, motor and engine. If in future if I have to quit merchant navy, then easily I will get job in land. That's why deck candidates switch engine side. This is the biggest reason. I think if you have did GP rating and you are going to do GP rating, this video is going to be very helpful for you, because you should have clear everything which side you have to go, so that you cannot face any problems. So many candidates will tell you deck side is for you, engine side is for you. I think no one can tell you. It's come from your heart which side you are interested, and which side you like. So many candidates like machineries work, and when they go to engine room, then he enjoyed so much. I think if you have this feeling, you should go engine side. Before going on ship, you should know what work you have to do. You have to do on ship, and where you have to do. Let's know in practical way. So friends, first let's know what is the deck department. Deck department, you can see this is the deck department. If you join deck side, then you have to work here, and you can see this is the deck side. Now my vessel is dry dock, you can see. And when first time you will go on ship, then you have to do shipping, painting, cleanings, and whatever your senior will tell you, you have to do that things. This is the deck side. Deck side means you can see the whole world. This is the deck side where you enjoyed a lot. I think you will have clear what is the deck side and what you have to do on ship. And also you have to do mooring operation. Mooring operations means when your ship goes to another ships alongside or jetty alongside, then you have to pass rope. That is the mooring operation you have to do also. And when you join deck side, then you can also talk to another ships candidates. How? When your ship go alongside to another ships, you can talk to another candidates. And I think everything you will be clear about deck, what you have to do. And if still you have any queries, please tell me in the comment box. I will try to reply. Let's know what is the engine department and what you have to do. And let's see where is the engine room. Now I am at deck, you can see this is the deck. This is the engine room. This is the engine room. You can see here is so many machineries. You have to watch every machinery. You can see like this is like a box where you have to work, and here you get air by fans, you can see. And first time when you go on ship, then you have to do shipping, paintings and cleaning. And if any machinery is being repaired, then you have to assist your seniors. They can ask you to bring a spanner, hammer, anything they can ask you. And you can see this is the engine room where you have to work. Well, one important question is that why so many candidates switch engine to deck? Because here you can see in running, when machinery is running, still you have to work. There will be so much noise, still you have to work. And here is also hot, that's why I think so many candidates want to switch deck to engine, sorry, engine to deck. That's why so many candidates went, and so many candidates come deck to engine, because here you will learn so much machinery work like pump, motor, engines you will learn. And when in future you want to quit machinery, then you can get easily job on land. I think this is the difference. Now I am at Injadu, you can see, and let's go deck side, deck on deck. This is Injadu, let's go on deck. Yeah, now I came to deck, you can see. This is the another tug, that is the another tug who is being repaired. If first time you are going on ship, please be cleared which side you want to go. If still you have any doubt, please tell me in the comment box and I will reply you. Let's meet next video. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.